Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be flipping through the new Disney Princess sticker books. We have a Colorful Boxes book here and another one with some bigger stickers. So if you would like to see that, keep watching. All right, so the Happy Planner sent these to me in my latest squad box. So if you haven't checked out that unboxing video, I will link in the description below. A whole lot of really cool stuff that's coming out and stuff that they sent to me. And I'll put all the information for ordering this kind of stuff in the description box because I don't have that information yet as I'm filming this. So this is a Disney Princess sticker book. It is Colorful Boxes Disney Princesses, and it comes with 384 stickers. So let's just jump right into it and see what's inside. All right. So right off the bat, we have Snow White, and look at these cute little stickers, and the color palette is so cute. Look, pale yellow. I love that so much, and blues and maroons. Here we have gold foil boxes with little characters on them. This says noted. This one says, it looks like they all say noted. Okay, look at these cute little strips with the little sparkles. I love that so much. And these are boxes for your month. Well, some of them are boxes for your monthly page. This little cutout here is meant to go in a classic size planner and then have the little number go right there so that you don't cover up the number. So we have Snow White and Cinderella. And then we have a Cinderella page with gold foil. She's got the prince. She's hanging out with little mice, you know, all the characters here. And same thing, we have noted. So I think we're going to flip through like all the characters and it's going to be like the same type of situation for all the characters. So now we have Aurora, Sleeping Beauty. And I love this color palette too. Like it just appeals to me, like the blue and the pink and then the light blue, like this like almost brown look. I really like that actually. Same deal. And then we go into Little Mermaid. And look, more of these little sparkles in with the gold foil, except they're like different like colors for the different princesses. I love that. So this is like, these are functional boxes that just add some pizzazz into your spread. You can be functional and still be cute, you guys, as I always try to tell you. Also, like if once in a while you don't want to have princesses on every sticker, some of these you can like cut. So this one here, for example, you can take this and you can cut it off right here and you're going to have like a navy blue box. So it doesn't always have to be Disney Princess if you don't want it to be. Just keep that in mind. You can also cover up, like say you really like this color sticker, but you didn't want Belle there, you can cover her up with a different sticker. There's just so many options for customizing these. I love that there is yellow, like true yellow in this book. I'm always looking for true yellow stickers and Belle to the rescue. Am I right? So here's some gold foil stuff. Okay, so here we go. We are going into Tiana now and more of these really pretty sparkle strips. I love the color palette of Tiana, and like the green especially is like really, it's so appealing to me. So I'm really liking these colors together too. And then we have Jasmine, and she's like definitely like a more jewel toned princess with the purples and teals, which is so cute. And then we're going into Pocahontas with like these colors. I can't, like, I love just the color palettes of these stickers, like the theme together. I think it's so pretty. And Mulan. And Rapunzel. And Merida. This is probably my favorite color palette of all of them because we get this burnt orange, which you never see from the Happy Planner. Like it's different. I love things that are different that they come out with, and this is a different. So that makes me happy. And then we're going to have a few pages in the back here that are going to be a bunch of princesses together, partying it up, little Disney princess friends. And then back here, more of those noted stickers, but they don't have any particular princess on them. They're just like pretty and gold and sparkly. All right. That is book number 1. Let's check out book number 2. And this is a little bit different because these are really big stickers, you guys. Wait till you see how big these are. What? Yeah, really big. Are they all clear? No. All right. So I love big stickers, and I use a big Happy Planner most of the time. So I'm all about the big stickers. And like, look at these. So this is on clear paper, and we've got like these gold sparkles. Never stop making wishes. Oh my gosh, how cute. And this has silver foil on it. Do what makes your heart sing. We have Ariel and her fork. So cute. And then we have Belle and Tiana, live a life full of love. The details in this are just phenomenal. Look at this one. Look at that little picture. I just think that's so pretty. Like, I don't know. They've been really knocking it out of the park lately on these stickers, like, and the detail involved in the stickers. Like, oh my gosh, look at this. Seek adventure every day. There's copper foil on here. And while I'm not a huge fan of foil by itself, I love foil on other stickers. And look at this Pocahontas sticker. That is gorgeous. That is simply beautiful. The designers really did a great job on this. And Merida, I love like the little copper foil accents. That's just beautiful. All right, so we've got Rapunzel and Mulan. And again, like cute little details. Look at that little hair comb. Oh my gosh, always follow your dreams. And then we have a page for Jasmine, and there's the genie there. We've got keep on believing, fill your heart with wonder, once upon a time, all gold foil. And now we're on to some paper stickers. Start each day with a smile. We've got Snow White and Dopey there, and the 7 dwarves. Surround yourself with people who make you feel like sunshine. With the prince and the animals. Ugh, I can't. It's so cute. Even miracles take a little time. We've got Cinderella and those like light blue sparkles. Choose kindness. Dream on, dreamer. More of the sparkles in different colors. Oh my gosh. And the supporting characters are all over these two. So cute. Let your heart guide you. Outdream yourself. There's that fork again. And look at this sticker. Like just the detail. Like look at that sticker alone. I think that's beautiful. I think it's so pretty. Follow your heart. Beautiful minds inspire others. And there's the beast. Fall in love with your life. Always believe in yourself. So cute. Work hard for your dreams. Say yes to new adventures. Look at the little gems. The bravest thing you can be is yourself. There is beauty all around. That sunflower is so pretty. The colors, like, oh, I can't. It's so pretty. And the leaves here, oh, so cute. So each princess is going to get 2 big pages of paper stickers, and that is enough to make at least 1 big spread on your favorite princess, probably 2 spreads. Between definitely more than 1 spread between all of these for sure. And here's Mulan, happiness blooms from within. Own your strength. Follow your dreams. I like these books a lot. I like this book especially a lot better than the one I got originally. I guess because the stickers are bigger, but make today an adventure. I feel like you can just do so much with these. Choose your fate. Look at that, the little bullseye. Bold and brave. The drawings are just so cute. Okay, then we have a page of silver foil quotes and a page of gold quotes. They say things like, grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. You are magic. Believe and achieve. Once upon a time, wish upon a star. Chase your dreams. Follow your heart. Beauty is found within. Kindness is magic. All that kind of stuff. Stay magical. So yeah, I think these sticker books are magical. Really love them. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Take care and check out all my other flip through videos. There's a whole bunch of them, so check those out. All right, see you soon. Bye.